Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite your friends or anyone to the Remitly app so you can earn rewards. So first you just have to open the app, and from the home page you have to navigate to the rewards page, which is going to be the third icon on the bottom of the list. And when you tap on it, it is going to open up your rewards page where you can see all your already collected rewards. On the top, as you can see, this is the on first transfer reward, which you receive when you sign up for the app. So you are going to have a fee-free transfer. Below that, you can see your successful referrals. So here you can see all your rewards that you received from inviting your friends. And to invite your friends, you just have to tap on invite now. And it is going to open up the invitation page which you can use to send an invitation to the Remitly app on WhatsApp, email, messages, Messenger, or any other social media platform that you prefer. Or you can also just tap on copy to copy your link and an invitation to send to your friends. And when they sign up, you can receive your referrals and get the cash rewards for your transfers. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.